Hey Sophie, it's Madam Sophie here again to do another tutorial. This time I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial only using the Tarte Cosmetics Rainforest of the Sea High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette. I really wanted to do this look because of the name of this eyeshadow palette. The name of this eyeshadow palette is called High Tides and Good Vibes. Really wanted to do this look in honor of the name of this eyeshadow palette. If you guys have ever been in the ocean or you've ever gone snorkeling or you've ever gone diving, I mean, I've never, I don't know how to dive. I've never done that stuff before. But I am from a Caribbean island, and every time they have these advertisements, you see these beautiful coral reefs in the water. You see the beauty of the sea, basically. So I really wanted to do this look, not just the name of this eyeshadow palette and the name of the line it's from, but I did this eyeshadow look to also resonate with what the sea means to me. The sea means it's beautiful down there. I've never experienced it before, but the beautiful coral reefs, the different species. Before we move into the tutorial, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the Madam Sophie channel. And apart from subscribing, I also would like for you to hit that notification bell that is right next to the subscribe button, just so that you can join the Sophia squad. And after you're done doing that, if you're new here, please drop something in the comment section so that I can officially welcome you to the Sophia squad. My regular viewers, thank you so much for tuning in. I really value your time here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your continuous support, as it is very valuable to me. So without further ado, let us jump right into the queen of the Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow tutorial. you have it. This is my look using the Tarte Cosmetics Rainforest of the Sea High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette. I purchased this eyeshadow palette from Sephora, and as you guys know, this eyeshadow palette was part of one of my hauls that I did. I think this eyeshadow palette was introduced in my summer haul video that I did. So I finally got some time to do a tutorial with it for you guys. So this is this is the outcome of it. If you've used this palette before, please let me know what you think about it. What are your thoughts on this eyeshadow palette? In my opinion, I think that this was a very good eyeshadow palette. I did not get much fallout when I was using the colors. I didn't get much kickback. The colors in the palette seems very pigmented. It was very pigmented. I didn't have a problem with working with any of the colors because all of them showed out. The frosted colors had a buttery texture to it. I basically used most of the colors in this eyeshadow palette. The only colors I did not use in this eyeshadow palette would be this color over here and this rose gold or the pink glitter color. So these were the only two colors I did not use in this eyeshadow palette. I wouldn't say that this palette is a must-have. I wouldn't say that it's a must-have as part of your collection. I'm pretty sure that you could get shades from this palette pretty similar to I'm pretty sure that you could get the shades that this eyeshadow palette have to offer. I'm pretty sure you could get something similar to these shades in other palettes. The only thing that's pretty different about this eyeshadow palette are the glitter colors that it offers. I did not apply any of the glitter on my eyes or my eyelid. I didn't apply it on there. I used it as a highlighter on my face. This is basically what I did with the glitter colors. The only thing I used on my eyes that are not part of this eyeshadow palette would be these two glitter liquid eyeshadows from the HENG FENG collection, and I have it in the color 5 and the color number 5 and color number 1. These were the two colors that I used to achieve this look. This is my interpretation of what the rainforest of the sea queen is supposed to look like. Okay, so is this look queeny enough for you? Or yeah, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the Madame Sophy channel. To my regular viewers, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for the continuous motivation and support here on the Madame Sophy channel. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to be you. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.